Looks like our little elf friend here is clearly up to something. Oh, all those poor gummy bears! And candies and sprinkles. But they didn't melt in vain. Now we've got a giant gummy bear. Cheese. The perennial favorite of cartoon mice. And it's great in so many ways. Whole, grated, rainbow-colored, apparently. Wow, they even remembered indigo. Now that's what I call fancy. This is gonna be one happy grilled cheese. Despite this, I still think he's pretty happy. An apple. Seems simple enough. Now that's more like it. Let's cut it up into cool shapes. Guess the first step to cutting them up is cutting them up. And it can even help you make quick kebabs. It's like a bouquet, and it looks like someone could use it. Personally, I don't care what shape chocolate is, as long as it's chocolate. But still, let's watch. Who knew that chocolate came in so many colors? How cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. I think she likes it. Looks like it's time to boil some eggs. Scratch that. Make that break some eggs. You know, I always felt that egg whites needed some color. All that work separating the eggs, and they're just back together again.
Wow!
It's the taste of egg with the fun of cookie dough. Jokes aside, eggs are actually good for your eyes.
Wow!
Guess we're having dinner and a show. Are you sure you should leave that stick on?
Yeah.
Unless we're cooking balloons. I don't even know what to think. By the looks of it, I guess it was a water balloon. Now to dig into that shell. Purple, with a hint of stick. I told you we were getting dinner and a show. After all that eating, it's time for a snack. Ah yes, instant noodles. Hey, that's not our usual seasoning, or our usual noodles. I think I know this elf's favorite color. All 7 of them.
Wow! What?
Literally taking food out of someone's mouth? Hey, that's just mean.
Wow!
An iron. Hope this means more grilled cheese. Wouldn't be too keen on unicorns after one stole my ramen. Guess this elf's a bigger person than me. It's almost too good to eat. Just kidding, I'll have the horn. An Easter elf? I told Santa to offer a dental plan. Oh, so that's where the Easter Bunny gets his eggs. sure is quicker than those vinegar dyes. You just knew this was coming.
Wow. Oops.
Wow, a diamond! But still no chocolate? Quick, someone get this elf some jelly beans. An emoji pancake pan. Seems pretty self-explanatory. I'd be more surprised if these weren't different colors. Looks like they're done. Let's see some smiling faces. That purple one looks like he knows something. Now he's a crescent moon. Oh no, the bag! How are we gonna get food now? Clearly I know little of elves and their banana summoning powers. Guess there's more than one way to skin a banana. There's gotta be an eating things with a face joke in here somewhere. With a fruit platter like this, who needs a zoo? Oh, Nutella. Great on toast, or just by itself. And the food lover's best friend, the spoon. Wait, don't eat the spoon! What are we gonna use to eat soup with? Oh, we're just making spoon-shaped baked goods.
Wow.
Guess it's okay to eat. We can always make some more.
Oh. Wow.
A spiral knife. Can't wait to see this in action. A cucumber. Always good to have some veggies with your gadgets.
Yay! What?
Graters. They're not just for cheese. It's a great thing we're not wasting the cucumber shell. Wow, it's a vegan sushi roll. Probably could have saved a few bucks using prop food. But that would kind of defeat showing off the gadgets, right? Kitchen-mazing stuff. Catch you next time.